Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. I don't normally do reviews. It might be something I'd look into in the future. But here's a first review I'm going to do, and I'm just really impressed with this mount. So let's get into it. Boom. So today we got the SunnyLife Mavic Pro mount. This thing is pretty rad. You know, the packaging's pretty basic. Nothing real fancy about it. You open it up, and there is really nice dense foam inside to protect everything. It's actually very nice dense foam inside, and everything's packaged really nice. But let's get into what this thing is all about. And forgive me, again, this is my first review. If you guys have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to ask, and I'll do my best to answer them. I love feedback, and any recommendations you guys have, anything that you guys have to offer, I would totally enjoy it and appreciate it. So let's get on with it. So as you can see, everything that's in the box is sitting right here other than the controller. You get some really nice tools, a couple Allen wrenches, and this little cool cross key. Haven't really figured out what that's for, but it's here if you want it. And obviously it's in a little baggie, so you get that. And then you get some extra caps. As you'll see on the side, these little black caps. They give you 3 extras in case you lose them or they fall off. Haven't had that problem yet. So you get those. And then you get your, basic literature, which is right here. Kind of tells you how to put it all together and all that fancy stuff. It's in English and Japanese or something, Chinese, Korean, some foreign language. So anyway, that's what that is. Nice colored, instructions. Pretty cool. Hopefully I'm getting that. I'm just filming with my iPhone X, so hopefully this turns out all right. But anyway, there you go. So going on to, and you also get a double lanyard that hooks on right here, which I'll get into here in just a second. But really, really nice, real thick, just real nice. Pardon me, just making sure I'm still, yep, okay. Anyway, real nice. It's got their logo on it, SunnyLife. Just really well built. The ends are super burly, as you can see. Just really, really nice. Super impressed with the lanyard, and it's double, so that's super nice. So you get that as well. And I will definitely have the link to this product in my description, so you guys can check it out. So anyway, let's get on to this. So from here down, this is all analyzed aluminum. Not analyzed. Anodized, excuse me. Anodized aluminum. I went with the red. There's blue and there's black as well. I just liked the red. But it's all just real nice, solid anodized aluminum. Very, very strong. Just very well built. There's 3 points of adjustment that you can have. So you can go this way, you can go this way, you can go this way. Any way you want to set it up. There went a cap. Anyway, I'll figure that out later. So you can adjust this almost infinitely to whatever you want it to be. And it's just going to hold it there nice and solid. Flipping it around, it already has a built-in mount for your phone. And then flipping it back around, obviously this is for a tablet. This holds up to the normal size, like iPad Air, something like that. Normal size and down. It will not do the iPad Pros, the big 12-inch. And then this will also hold the Crystal Sky monitor. So that's what this side is for as well. So very nice, spring-loaded, lots of pushback. So it holds it nice and secure. This is rubber, this is foam, so it doesn't scratch or damage your device. Same with this. This is rubber here, this is foam here. And you can kind of see, it's really nice. And it's grooved right here. Hopefully you can see that. Maybe I'll go this way. It's grooved, so this slides right into your controller and kind of locks in, and then your arms fold into this. Really nice little logo right here. Just super, super impressed. It's very, very light, so it's not going to add a lot of weight to your controller, especially with the tablet being sitting on there. So let's install it. So you get your case, and this will fit for your Spark, your Mavic Air, your Mavic Pro, your Mavic Pro 2, your Mavic Pro 2 Zoom. Any of those controllers this will work for. So that's kind of nice too. So anyway, obviously you guys already know, you fold out the arms, stick it in there, and as you can see, I'm hoping that I get that on there right, but you can see as it slides in, it goes in, locks into that groove right there. That little front tip locks in, and then you just squeeze it, push it up, lock it in, and boom, you're set. And then you get your tablet, put your tablet on here, and you're in business. Now I'm going to want this to stand up a lot more. I'm going to want it more like that. And then you got plenty of clearance for your antennas to go up. So you can have them straight up if you want, which is pretty cool because that's the way it's supposed to be, is straight up like that. So everything just fits real nice. Side profile, top profile. It just looks really, really nice, and it just feels really good too. Everything is super solid. Nothing's moving around. Just feels really good. I just really like it, guys, and I just wanted to pass on the info to you. It does not block any of your ports, so everything is free and open. Hooking on the lanyard is pretty simple. As always, you just, one goes right here, and the other one, really hard to do this with one hand, goes right there. And then you put it around and you're good to go. Everything is just fantastic. And the tools, you know, obviously you can use if you want to tighten this up. Mine are a little loose because I haven't tightened anything up. So it's a little loose, so it's going to flop around a little bit. That's just because I haven't tightened anything up. The lanyard is also adjustable. So anyway, guys, I hope that helps you make any kind of a buying decision. You know, I was looking at the MavMounts, and they were just a little bit too much out of my price range. And I just really didn't want to spend that kind of money. So I was looking around. I still wanted to anodized aluminum just for the build quality and the lightness of it. And I happened to find this. There's about 6 or 7 different kinds of this exact same one on Amazon. But I would recommend just getting the SunnyLife. And actually the funny thing about that is the one I ordered actually said tenor. T-E-E-N-E-R, tenor or something like that, but it came in as the actual SunnyLife. So anyway, I hope that helped, guys. Please, if you have any comments, suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. If you liked this video, please support me by hitting that subscribe button, hit the like button. I'd appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Have an awesome day. Take care.